Hi guys and welcome, this is me, JBRose, singing vegan mum. So there's a lot happening out there, the coronavirus. There's a mad panic for toilet roll. I decided to get my toilet roll at the end of the week as usual. And guess what? Of course there was nothing. I decided I'm not going to fight with anybody over toilet paper. I'm going to go back to the 60s and the 50s and I'm going to just do what they used to do. I'm going to be resourceful. It's not going to harm us. We're not going to die. I got some newspaper from the local Gazette. And I have been cutting it up. As you can see, this is my children's karate master, so we won't use this part of the paper, but we're going to use the paper and make it into toilet paper, because that's what happened back in the day. And guess what? Nothing happened. So we're going to have a little bit of print on your bottom, maybe. But I've already taught my children to get the paper, soften it up, and use it. Tell them I just thought I could do a video. So guys, it's about being flexible and resourceful. Look, there's loads of it. If there's no toilet paper because everyone's hoarded it and taken it, not to worry, just get some free newspaper and tear it up. I've already put it in the toilet. Everyone's going to be fine, we'll live. Okay guys, I will see you next. Oh, sorry, I'm coughing. It's not coronavirus, it's just a little cough, yeah? I will see you next time with a recipe. Stay blessed. Rainbow love.